I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start now by powering the Etrex 10 and confirming you have fresh batteries or a charged power bank. Weak power slows fixes. Once powered, press the power key and walk through language and time settings so coordinates log correctly. Make sure WAS/EGNOS is enabled in GPS settings to improve accuracy. If you plan to map, set datum to WGS84 for compatibility. These actions get the receiver ready to acquire satellites and record routes. Now take the unit outdoors and aim for an unobstructed sky. Line of sight to satellites matters. Open the satellite page and watch the signal bars. Wait until you have a 3D fix and 4 or more satellites showing strong signal. While waiting, enable WAS/EGNOS and any hotfix features in setup so future locks happen faster. Once you have a steady fix, move to your starting point, set a waypoint with a clear name, and verify coordinates match what you expect before continuing. To finish, start recording a track and save key waypoints as you go. These let you backtrack if needed. Load a route or follow the breadcrumb trail on the map, using zoom to check turns and landmarks. Make course corrections with the electronic compass and consult trip computer for distance and ETA. If you lose a fix, try restarting the unit, swapping batteries, moving to a clear location, and toggling WAS. This fixes most problems quickly, so you can continue navigating with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.